what is Dave and how does it work in the US? Dave gets talked about like it's an app that spots you cash. That's partly true, but the part most people miss is this. It's not a free shortcut, it's a money tool with rules, limits, and trade-offs. If you're considering it, you'll want to know what it actually does day to day, how it decides what you can access, and the one habit that keeps people from getting stuck in a repeat cycle. I'll save that habit for the end. What is Dave? Exactly. Dave is a personal finance app in the US built around short-term cash access, budgeting tools, and account features that feel bank-like. People typically use it when money is tight between paychecks, or when they want simple tracking without digging through a traditional bank's menus. The core idea is that Dave connects to your finances, tries to understand your income pattern, and then offers options that can help you avoid overdrafts or cover small gaps. It's designed to feel quick and friendly, but it still depends on how stable your income looks and how your account activity behaves. So it's less instant money and more managed short-term support wrapped in an app. How does Dave work in practice? You download the app, verify your identity, and connect a bank account so Dave can read your transaction history and income flow. From there, the app can show balances, upcoming bills, and spending patterns depending on what features you use. When people talk about Dave, they usually mean the cash advance feature. In the app, you request an advance up to your eligible amount, then the money arrives either faster or slower depending on the delivery option. Later, Dave pulls repayment automatically around your next payday window based on what the app expects your cash flow to be. This is the moment to pay attention. If your payday is irregular or if your account gets hit with unexpected charges, repayment timing can feel uncomfortable. How do people actually use it and what goes wrong? In real life, Dave tends to work best as a bridge, not a lifestyle. Users tap it for a small gap, then repay and move on. The trouble starts when the gap is constant. A common issue is treating the advance as extra income instead of borrowed time. If you take an advance, then immediately spend as if your paycheck is untouched, you can create a tight loop where the next payday is already spoken for. Another issue is forgetting that eligibility can change. If your income deposits shift, your spending spikes, or your bank connection gets messy, Dave may reduce what you can access right when you expected it most. It's not personal. The app is reacting to risk signals and patterns. The trade-offs people don't talk about. The real benefit is speed and simplicity. You can see what's going on, request help quickly, and avoid an overdraft if timing is the only problem. The trade-off is that short-term money tools can hide the bigger issue: inconsistent cash flow. If Dave becomes a monthly routine, that routine is a signal. It usually means bills are too close to payday, subscriptions are creeping up, or there's no buffer for surprises. Another subtle trade-off is reliance on automation. Auto repayment is convenient until the day your account is lighter than expected. If that happens, you can get into a stressful scramble trying to rebalance everything at once. Wrap up: the one habit that keeps it from turning into a loop. Dave is a personal finance app in the US that can offer short-term cash advances and money management tools by analyzing your connected account activity and income pattern. Used occasionally, it can help smooth timing issues and reduce overdraft risk. Now the habit I promised: treat every advance like a bill you schedule mentally the moment you take it. If you borrow, immediately plan the payback by setting aside a small buffer and tightening spending until the next deposit. That single shift keeps it as a bridge, not a trap. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easy. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.